Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you stopping by to check out my latest unboxing. This one is for a special boy 10 to 14 and it's a space and games theme. I've had this theme planned for a while. I was a little bummed when I didn't find a full-size basketball at a reasonable price this year, but I'm still satisfied with how it turned out. Now this book I recently found last week at my Dollar Tree, so I added it into the top of his box. I'm very impressed with this. I bought two and I did one with my son. The stickers really do stick to the pages and the facts on this book are very informative, so I highly recommend that outer space book. Here he has a memo pad that I just spiced up with a skateboard sticker. And then he has a useful item here, some stretchable cord, as well as a nice pocket tool. I included a bag of marbles with string. I did a little looking up and the places where my shoe boxes have been going. The children are pretty aware of how to play with marbles. I know some places in Central America, the game is ranked number 2 or 3 as the most played game by children. So I'm pretty confident he will know what to do with the marbles. Even my 5-year-old plays with marbles and he has a lot of fun coming up with his own games. He has a light up tumble stick, a metal puzzle, this fun McDonald's toy that says Space Jam, and inside there's picture instructions on how to assemble this toy. And here you can see it's very easy to assemble. There is also a little basketball that says Space Jam that he can use to play with it, as well as a little basketball figurine that you can attach to the net of the basket. He has a street ball, and as well he has a hacky sack that I think a lot of kids know how to play with a hacky sack ball as well. A little soft toy, and a Dollar Tree soap. I like this one because it has the ingredients labeled on the soap and it's in its original packaging. A nice pair of athletic socks. I really liked adding this water bottle because it has a man playing at the Olympic Games, so I thought it went nice with his theme. There's a nice carabiner on that bottle as well. He has a pop-out brush, and that was a green tote bag that you quickly saw there. A pencil tin with a little mending kit inside, and I cut off some of the packaging so that he could see the hacky sack being played, as well as how you use the tumble sticks. And then there's some tape in there that has a galaxy vibe to it. Some outer space erasers. About the pocket tool that I showed earlier, after filming this, I emailed the director of operations for Samaritan's Purse of Canada, and I sent her a picture of the tool. Not only did she love it, she said she was going out on her lunch break to find them for her own shoe boxes. So those pocket tools are definitely a good thing to send here in Canada. And that was a sharpener and his scissors. And I gave him a lunch sack that is insulated and of course BPA free. Inside I put his underwear and protractor. I figured the underwear could just help keep the protractor protected. The underwear are size 9-10. And this came as a set from the Dollar Tree and it's great quality. And here's more of those skateboard stickers that you guys like. That one goes perfect with his box. It says Space Jam. And I ordered these off of Amazon in bulk. And I just think that these will last the kids a long time as they are waterproof. I included Tigger with a basketball. And I think the kids will just really appreciate looking at the artwork. A toothbrush, a fun basketball pencil, And then a pencil that says Shine On, and colored pencils. And then what I would consider his wow item, I found this on oldnavy.ca. It is a Go Dry shirt, and it's a size 14-16. And I love what it says, Rise Above. So I really hope he likes this shirt. I think it'll keep him nice and cool during the day. And also, I forgot to show it, but after I did this filming, I added in a keepsake item for him. I gave him a gray silicone ring. I like to always give a keepsake to my older kids. He had a fun notebook and just this little fun thing at the bottom of his box to make him smile. And that is my shoebox for this special boy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I will talk to you later.